Hello and welcome back. It's Mr. Chang here. Today I am going to show you how to spice up any type of ramen noodles at all. I've never used these particular flavor before, but let's see what they are like. So, these are Mama Shrimp Creamy Tom Yum flavor. It's highly doubtful to me that these noodles will be creamy at all. I've never heard of creamy instant noodles in my life. I was just talking to Mrs. Chang last night and I says to her, I found these creamy instant noodles in Tesco's and I highly doubt they are creamy. There must have been something lost in translation here. Definitely, but we will see. I'm going to add these noodles to a pot. The ring is already lit. You can see the gas here, and I'm going to cover these up with water just to cover the top of them, and we're going to bring those to the boil. In the meantime, what we're going to do is we're going to add a dollop of butter to this pan on the left hand side. This is 2 eggs. I have always put your eggs, crack your eggs into a cup. It's much easier than using a mixing bowl. You have a handle to hold on to. There's a smaller surface to whisk around, and it takes literally, that was what, 15 seconds. We're going to add in a dollop of butter to the pan. Oh, that's too much. I'm trying to lose some weight here. So this will take seconds. We're just going to melt that butter. And then we get the egg, give that a quick twirl around. As soon as the butter's melted, much like this, we're going to get the eggs. We're going to put them into the pan. This is going to take, I would say, 50 seconds at most, on a very low heat. And twirl that round, cover the bottom of the pan with the eggs. Make sure the heat is low to medium. You don't want the eggs hard on the bottom. We want the omelette to be soft. So inside this packet, let's see what this is. I've never used these before. I don't think I'm going to like these at all, this flavour. It smells like lemongrass. Oh, I don't like lemongrass at all. It's definitely, I don't think this is going to be for me. But anyway, you can use this for as I say, any instant noodles, and this is an excellent noodle hack, a meal in minutes. So there's another packet here. I don't know what that is. It's very slimy and thick. It smells not too bad. Maybe this will change the texture and the flavour. Who knows? But I still don't think these noodles are going to be creamy. So to the omelette or egg for the top, we're going to add just a tiny bit of salt. We don't want to get too many kidney stones from too much sodium. Small amount of chili flakes and then some cracked black pepper. Let's see. I always like the cracked black pepper that you don't have to crack yourself. It's so much easier to cook raw. I'm twisting one of those things that goes and they drive me up the walls. Give those noodles a quick stir. I don't like the smell of these. I just don't think these are going to be for me. Definitely not. Here we have 2 spring onions. You always need the spring onions with the instant noodles, eggs, anything like that. Well, I do, but these are optional. You can leave these out. It's if you so wish. We're just going to make sure this egg isn't stuck to the bottom of the pan. Perfect. And we'll give that a quick, let's make this into a triangular shape because I like triangles, pyramids, and it'll fit into the bowl, maybe. What a load of crap. So give those noodles another stir, and that's them more or less done. Smells not too bad now. Maybe that beef dripping sort of flavour brought out the different. No, I don't like that smell at all. Definitely don't like that smell. Add on the spring onions. That's everything more or less ready. We're going to get these noodles, put them in. That's him done. Now, if you like this video, please become a member. I need members badly. I don't know why, but I just need more members. I only have a few. It would be great if I could get some members, and I might get an incentive to make more videos, more of these crappy videos. So that's that done. It smells not too bad. Now, actually, we're going to put this egg on the top. Beautiful. Look at that. Now, do not forget you need oyster sauce for the top of your egg always, whether it's omelets, scrambled eggs, boiled eggs, oyster sauce is always needed. And to finish this off, just a dab of sesame oil. No, that was too much. Sorry, I came out fast. And there we have it. Look at that. Mmm. And it actually smells good with the oyster sauce. That's Tommy Yum Chum Yum Yum Plum Shrimp flavor.